Yo, what's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Yervs. If it's your first time here, thank you for joining me. Today we have a sneaker review. This is the New Balance 1906R collab with Comme des Garcons. Comme des Garcons is a Japanese label, bunch of different diffusion lines, and they tend to collaborate with shoe manufacturers like Nike, Adidas, New Balance, a whole bunch of them. So today is their newest release, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. Little sneak peek. Well, it's technically released, but not. So the official release date was November 17th, but Dover Street Market, which is a high-end designer boutique, actually released them last Friday on October 27th. So I just got them in today. I don't know if they did like an early drop or what, but here they are. We got them today. First little sneak peek for you guys. So New Balance 1906R. This is the white black colorway. Some people were calling it the coconut milk, but on the box it says white black. So all black outsole, black cage on the back, all white upper, and yeah, beautiful shoe. Standard New Balance 1906Rs retail for around $150. The retail on these guys was $280. Comme des Garcons is a high-end luxury brand, so a lot of their sneaker collaborations generally feature like high-end materials, leathers, all that kind of stuff, suedes, which usually will cause the increase in price. Obviously just the name, you know, it's the tax for Comme des Garcons collabing with your brand. But these, it is my first time buying some New Balances. These, from the looks of it, they look like GR pairs. Like, they don't look super high-end. I mean, the leather and materials and mesh are like pretty nice, but they don't look like $280 worth of upgrades to a $150 GR sneaker. But yeah, here we are. That's the tax we pay for hype stuff. So these were actually announced around January of this year at the Junya Watanabe runway show for his men's collection for fall winter 2023. So it's been a while since they were announced and kind of teased in the runway, and I'll try to put in some b-roll of the runway show, or at least some pictures, so you guys could see what they look like with the high-end Junya fits. But yeah, they're just coming out now. It's fall winter now, so it's that time. But yeah, like I said, they just got released. As far as the fit, well, here's another unique thing about Comme des Garcons sneaker collaborations. They kind of have like weird sizing. So this came in a range of 8, 9, 10, and 11 as far as like men's sizing. No half sizes that I could see or that I've seen. Again, I bought them through Dover Street Market, so I don't know if there's more sizes coming out, but that was it. Really short run of sizes. A lot of these sneakers are definitely more limited than most others, but yeah. So I usually wear an 11.5 in like my Adidas or like Nike sneakers. With leather shoes and high-end like Rick Owens, Bottega Veneta's, I usually wear a 44, which translates to a size 11. So I was kind of torn whether I was going to order these or not. From other reviews that I watched on the GR pair, they tend to run a little snug when they're true to size. So I was so worried that a size 11 wasn't going to fit at all. I just got them today, tried them on. They're extra snug on me. My foot does fit into it, but they're definitely extra snug. But when I take the insole out, they fit really well. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, you want the cushionness and the comfortability of the insole, but you want it to fit better. I don't know. So far I like them. I don't know if I'm gonna make them like my new gym shoe or running shoe, or just like casual like athleisure fits shoe or Gorp shoe. But we'll see. But so far I really like them. They're comfortable so far. I will let you guys know in an update vid how they feel, and if not, you can find them on Yervs Closet. Check it on Instagram. It's gonna be my like new store with all the stuff that I'm selling. So I digress. So fit, I would say true to size. Unfortunately, the size run is limited, so you might have to adjust accordingly. And now we get down to the price. $280 retail. Tax and shipping, you're looking at over $300. Is it worth it? The materials, pretty standard for a GR release of like regular New Balances. Is a collab factor cool enough to pay that tax? I don't know. I'm gonna say it's probably not worth it in this case because that's close to $150 that you're paying over the price of a standard 1906R. I love collaboration shoes. I'm sure you guys have seen my Nike Air Max 95 collab with Comme des Garcons video. Great shoes, but like they're taxing. Like they're taxing way too much. And I'm gonna feel like this time it's probably not worth it. The materials look pretty substandard to me. No super high-end leathers on there. But it is a beautiful shoe. If you have that extra $100 laying around or $150 and you wanted a pair of 1906Rs but with something a little bit of pizzazz, a little bit of, you know, just something to stand out a little bit, I would go with these pair. As far as the different colorways, they came in this colorway, the white, black pair, and they also came in a triple black pair. I kind of went for these because I wear a lot of black. And when you're wearing an all black, like monochromatic fit, the triple black, it's a vibe, but I wanted something to kind of break it up a little bit. So I went with the white and black pair. I feel like they look cool with shorts and just a little bit more flexible as far as the fits. But yeah, so I went with these pairs. Triple blacks are always also out. I think DSM is sold out by now. If not, a lot of the sizes are sold out. They're supposed to be doing a general release on November 17th, so look out for that. You could always buy them off StockX or eBay and all that good stuff. So as far as like, will the price hold? I don't know. I don't really do that. I don't like predict that kind of stuff. I'm not a big like sneaker guy, but I know in the past, like the Nike Comme des Garcons collabs have initially, like, people kind of throw shade at the price and like the design or whatever, and then they kind of sit for a minute, and sometimes they even go like on a little bit of a discount. But then eventually, once people kind of come around and start appreciating the silhouette more or the collaboration a lot more, the prices tend to shoot up. And because of the limited sizing, they tend to shoot up even higher. So if you're even a little bit interested in this pair, I feel like you should pick them up. If not, I would skip them. New Balance has a bunch of GRs that are really similar in the colorways in the 1906R, and yeah, I'll just go with that. Alright guys, that was just a quick little sneak peek for you guys, slash unboxing, slash review on the New Balance 1906R collaboration with Comme des Garcons. If you enjoyed the video, please like it down below, comment on there. I respond to almost everyone's comments, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. We have a pretty decent following. I'm trying to grow it so I could provide more content for you guys. Men's fashion, sneakers, high-end stuff, streetwear, designer, all that. But yeah, if you want to add me on Instagram, you could add me. It's @Yervs. I appreciate you so much for watching till the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a little quick one for you guys today. And yeah, join for more. Thanks y'all, peace. Fall, winter, men's. Yeah. All right, you guys, welcome to, release isn't quite out, isn't? You guys, thanks so much for watching. Dude, I suck at this. I've been out the game too long. I'm so bad at this.